Hello everybody, welcome. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a pillow in Blender. So you want to create a plane, okay, add a plane, and you can size it up however you like the thing, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make it just a little bit wide like this. Okay, I think this is good for a good, and you want to subdivide and then 20 cuts. This will be important for later. Okay, and then you want to go back to the modeling. You want to select all of these and then faces, and then you want to extrude out to like a pillow size. And then what you want to do is you want to do a loop cut around the middle. That is important. And then you want to switch back to those things. Then you see these ones here, which are what we're going to use. Blue means if it's like blue, red, or green, that means it doesn't use the exact color, but it uses every other color. So if I use this, it will use this and this, but not the height. So that's what I want to do. Just size it up a bit. Okay, so it's like pointing out a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now, once you've done that, you want to go to the physics, and you want to put cloth simulation in here. And you want to scroll down to pressure. I'm going to put about like 1 for the pressure. And then for the field weights, gravity, you want to put it to 0. Then you want to press play. Then select the keyframe you like for the pillow. And I'm going to put it for like, let's say, nope, that's too, I'm going to put it like this. Okay, so you want to convert to mesh. Then what you want to do is you want to add a modifier, that being subdivision surface modifier. And then with this modifier you can put it for how many you like. I'm going to put about like 3 for this, and then you go to and then shape smooth. Okay, that's how you make a pillow in Blender. So you can just convert it to the mesh, and then the modifier goes away and it's done. And boom, your own bed sheet. And you can put it for any color you like. I'm gonna, let's say, do red or dark red. Okay, so perfect. Here it is. So yeah, I'm gonna put it like a bit like rough, like 5, let's say. Okay, done. This is how I make a pillow. Okay, next I will make like a bed. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and peace.